I am Mike with America's Generators. Welcome. Today, we're going to be looking into oil changes on a natural gas generator. We're going to be digging into why maintenance, regular maintenance, especially oil changes, are crucial to the longevity and smooth running of your unit. First, let's talk about the necessity of oil changing. Inside your generator, the oil plays a very crucial role. It lubricates all the moving parts of the engine, and it helps to dissipate heat and the wear from friction. Now, over time, your oil does degrade, breaks down, picking up contaminants and metal particles. And as this happens, it's less effective at its job. So we want to change our oil before it degrades to a point where this can cause, excessive wear on the engine, inefficiency, and in some cases overheating. So without question, it's always asked, how often do I change my oil? Well, truth is, it varies depending on engine manufacturer, how intensely it's used, and operating conditions. Your service interval is going to vary depending on all those factors. Now, typically manufacturers recommend every 1 to 200 hours you perform an oil change. But again, if you're operating in extreme conditions or for a prolonged period of time, that period may be adjusted and probably should be. So be sure to check with your operator's manual and manufacturer's manual for any details. Should you change your generator oil yourself or call a pro? That depends. If you're mechanically inclined, then it's a fairly interesting DIY task. If not, feel free to call a pro in. It's probably the safer bet. And remember, when they do come out and perform your maintenance, they're not just changing your oil in your filter, they're also checking for any future potential problems for you. So in conclusion, regular oil changes are not just maintenance. They're a health checkup for your natural gas generator. They ensure efficiency, prevent costly repairs, and ensure reliability. So stick to the maintenance schedule of your unit, and your generator will thank you with years of dependable service. Thank you for watching. I'm Mike with America's Generators. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.